In this video, we're going to take a quick look at the admin area of our new WordPress site. First of all, let's take a look at what our new WordPress site looks like. So you just go to mysite.com, or in my case, I will just go to /testwp because that's where I installed the WordPress files. So this is what your new site should look like, and you can change the appearance later on. Okay, now if you want to log in to your WordPress site, you would just go to type in after the / type in wp/admin. So in your case, it may be abc.com /wp/admin, and you just type in your username and the password that you created. Okay, so right now we're looking at the dashboard. If you want to customize your site, you would just click on here. You can see you could write your first blog post by clicking on here. You can add an about page, view your site. Okay, and in the left hand column, just look at it. This is where you could create more posts, add new posts, the media. For example, if you want to add videos or pictures. If you want to change the appearance, you just go to here, appearance, and you just go to themes. So let's just take a look at that. There's a couple of themes available here that you can install right now if you want to change the appearance of your site. You could also just go to Google and do a search for free WordPress themes if you want to search for more professional, or just get a wide variety of themes that you may want to add to your site. Okay, and let's take a look at the plugins here. So for example, if you want to install a membership site or some cool pop-ups or any interesting tools to make your site more interactive, you would need a plugin. You could do a Google search for free WordPress plugins, and if you want to install a plugin here, you would just go to add new, and you would just go to upload, and then you would just click on browse and browse the files on your computer, look for that zip folder, and then you just install it here, and then you activate it. Okay, so I think I've covered everything I need to in regards to installing a WordPress site. In the future, I may create more videos on how to make a more professional looking site, but for now what you've seen is the basics of installing WordPress.